What's up, you guys? It is Brittany. I have my son here walking with me. We're doing our walk. As I was telling you guys before, I'm trying to get out more and just do some walking. I really want to lose this weight. So we've been trying to do some walking. And guess what? The snow has departed. So the snow has melted down. And right now we're just gonna go to the dog park really quick. So once we do that, we're able to get some fresh exercise. Some fresh exercise. And you know what's so crazy is that last time I was so out of breath. But that's okay. The more I walk, I feel like the more, my respiratory system will get right on a steady pace as my walking pace, because initially I have asthma and allergies. So, but that's still no excuse of why I haven't been outdoors. I just literally don't really get to come out like that. I work from home. So yeah. And we might see us some doggy friends. So no, it's this one. We'll probably go. I wanted to go here because hi. I don't want to let him out. So, oh, this one wasn't locked last time, the top one. Nope. Oh, wait, was this the one that I was at? This one wasn't so muddy. Okay. Well, he's surely loving it out here. Hi. Okay, guys, so we are back. I took a walk a little bit. I guess as I was saying, it's just good to get this fresh air. You know what? I really didn't have a message today. So, but I am happy to get out more. And I'm just encouraging you all to try to get out as well. As you can see, the snow has dried up. It has melted away. So yes, we are out. And we met some doggy friends again today. So yeah, I'm just encouraging you guys to get out here. And we even have a nice tree. I'll show you guys this tree here. So probably stand underneath it. See? So yeah. So if you guys haven't got out today to get some fresh air, I'm actually challenging myself to get out more, to lose some weight. I want to lose this weight. I gained so much weight. I want to say 2020 to 2024. And now it's just time. Now it's just time to get all of this out. And God is calling us to be renewed, restored, and I feel like he's going to give us a new name. Just like he changed Abram to Abraham, Sarai to Sarah. I feel like this is a season that he's giving us new names, and part of that transition is basically stepping out of your comfort zone, going into the unknown, and not being scared of the unknown, because although the unknown is scary, it's not for us to fear it, but to take a chance and to take a risk. And you never know what you may find at the end of the tunnel. So, don't limit yourself. So, yes, I feel like this is the season we're all going to have new names and new things coming to us. Maybe new houses, new cars. Maybe some people are getting caught into marriage. Maybe some people are getting caught into new friendships. You never know. But